हेलो गाइज, वेलकम टू माय चैनल सीसी टेक सोल्यूशन में। आज की वीडियो में बताने वाले एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन के बारे में। क्या होता है ये एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन, चलिए आज की वीडियो में समझाते हैं एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन क्या होता है, कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं और क्यों हमारे डेटाबेस हैक हो जाते हैं। चलिए आज की वीडियो में समझते हैं। द एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन इज अ कोड पेनिट्रेशन टेक्निक दैट माइट कॉज लॉस टू आवर डेटाबेस। इट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पार्टी practiced web hacking techniques to place malicious code in SQL statement via web page input. SQL injection can be used to manipulate the application web server by malicious users. Now let's move for the how types of SQL injection attacks. The SQL injection attack can be more harm other than passing the login algorithm. Some of the SQL injection attack includes first point is updating, deleting, and inserting the data, and attacks can modify the cookies to poison a web application database query. It is executing commands on the server that can download and install malicious program such as Trojan. We are exporting valuable data such as credit cards, details, emails and password to attacker remote server. ये एसक्यूएल सर्वर की जो अटैकर बहुत सारे तरह के टेक्निक अपनाते हैं और बहुत सारी चीज़ों को हम लोग उसे वैल्यूएबल डेटा को एक्सपोर्ट कर लेते हैं, क्रेडिट कार्ड लाइक email password on the attacker remote server. The next point is getting user details. It is the simple form of the SQL injection. Web application typically accept user input through a form. The front end passes the user input to back the database for processing. Now let's move for the how detect SQL injection attack. Creating a SQL injection attack is not difficult, but when even the best of the good intention developer to make mistakes, the detection of SQL injection is therefore an essential component of creating the risk of an SQL injection attack. Web application firewall can detect and block basic SQL injection attack, but we should depend on it as sole preventive measure. हम लोग कैसे इसे डिटेक्ट करते हैं एसक्यूएल इंजेक्शन को बाय इंजेक्टिंग a component of creating and risk of the SQL injection attack, and we how we prevent it by firewall. We can detect the by firewall the SQL injection. Now let's move for the next one, the intuition detection system IDs is both network based on the host based. It can be tuned to detect SQL attack. Network based on IDs can monitor all connection to database server and flag suspicious activity. That host-based IDs can monitor web server logs or alert when something strange happening. Now let's move for the impact of SQL injection. The intruder can retrieve all the user data present in the database such as user details, credit cards, information and social security number of, and can also gain access to protect area like the administrator portal. It is also possible to delete the user data from the table. These days all the online shopping application bank transaction use backend database server. If the intruder can exploit SQL injection, the entire server is compromised. Now let's move for the next point of the how to prevent SQL injection attack. We should use user authentication to validate input from the user by predefining length, input type and the input field. Now let's move for the next one, restricting the access privilege of the user and defining the amount of data any outsider can from the database. Generally the user cannot be granted permission to the access everything in database. Now let's move for the next point. We should not use system administrator account. Now let's move for the next point of the SQL insert statement. SQL insert statement is a SQL query. It is used to insert a single and or multiple records in table. There are two ways to insert data in a table. First is a by specifying column names and without specifying column name. First is a first is command insert into table name and values, value 1, value 2, value 3. It is a column value. Now let's move for the insert the data. Now let's move for the insert into table name in column 1, column 2 and column 3 values, value 1, value 2. This the by specifying the column name space column name, and it is the without column name specifying the column data. Now thank you for watching my video. I'll meet you next time.